Welcome to SYSADVANCE. SYSADVANCE is just finalizing a Methagen AD system for biogas upgrading from anaerobic digestion to be installed in Latvia. This SYSADVANCE Methagen system will produce 5 million cubic meters of biomethane per year to be used as renewable natural gas, both for grid injection and for mobility. SYSADVANCE Methagen AD system features state-of-the-art technology allowing for high recovery of methane, greater than 99%, high heating value and low energy consumption, less than 0.22 kilowatt per cubic meter of biogas treated, contributing for extremely low operational cost. This is the first of 3 projects ordered to SYSADVANCE by one of our esteemed clients in Latvia, to be soon followed by remaining 2 already in production. For more information, visit us at sysadvance.com.
Shaping the future of technology.